Okay, so sorry about that. Some technical difficulties. Today I got some dry ice for a science fair project, but the science fair project didn't really work out. Yeah, so now I've just got some dry ice, free to do experiments. As you can probably tell from all of this, I've already done a lot of experiments, but I wanted to do it on a live stream. So the first thing that you need, if you're probably not gonna have dry ice right now while you're watching this, but just good to know. Legal disclaimer: don't get hurt, and wear gloves when you're dealing with dry ice. Don't touch it with your bare hands. So there are a few ways to cut it. You can hit it with a hammer. That's what I do. But right now, the first trick I'll show you is one of the simplest tricks. Just cut off a little piece. That came off pretty easily. You just put it in there. Then go in your pocket and take out your box of matches that you always have. Yeah, you always have matches. Then you light it. But, ow! It burns! Nothing happened. Oh, the match went out. Oh, that burned. Intermission. Oh man, that hurt. Maybe I'll just move this into this one. Yeah, so anyways, about the matches. Strike a match. A couple ways to strike a match. One way is to go like that, but this isn't a light anywhere match. So you just grab this, and then dry ice is made of carbon dioxide, the stuff that you breathe out. And once you put it down there, it just goes out pretty slowly, and that's pretty cool. So it's like what makes it happen is science. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll do it again, so you know, I didn't blow it out or anything, so I'll have my mouth closed. Just strike a match. I'm over here, down here. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's the first one. All you need is dry ice and a match and a cup or anything to hold it dry. You don't even really need anything, but it'll catch the fog thing better. Second experiment. There are tons of experiments. They weigh a lot. That's why they're called tons. Water. So you're just gonna pour water into dry ice like that. It's pretty cool. Bubbles start to form and they pop. Let's take out a little bit of water, put it into there, so I can show you this next trick. That in and of itself, or whatever they call it, I don't really know, is pretty cool, but no, it's cooler. Oh, I need some more soap and water. So you get a rag or something, then you put soap on it and water, and then it makes a cool dry ice bubble. Happens because there's soap and water here, then when you rub it across, it makes the thing that it makes in bubble wands on the top. So then all of the mist thing wants to escape, so it pushes on the bubble and it doesn't pop until it's pretty big. Sometime it'll pop. I'm not that patient. Looks really cool. Dry ice is what they use in some movies. It's pretty cool. I'll do it again. You can use piece of like string also. That works better, I think. Let's get it a little lighter. Okay, there it is. Yeah, that is really cool. I like that one. Wonder what'll matches are getting wet. It's getting pretty big. Super big. Wow, I didn't even know that that tiny cup could hold like a big ball bigger than the cup. Well, that's... Now it's at a standstill. Maybe the dry ice... Maybe there's no more dry ice. Let's see what happens. I don't even know. I've never tested it. Oh. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. So the second I touched it, it, like, popped the bubble, but it also made the match go out. And now... Ow! Burned myself through the bag. I think that I'm going to put this back, store it back in. I'm over here. Okay. So that hurt. I would get elbow pads, but that would be boring while I go and get them for you. And I don't like the look of them. Take that off. And it's pretty cool what just happened. Oh, never mind. You can't see it. You didn't hear what I said. Another cool trick. Well, they're all cool tricks, I think. But you just crush it up, and then put them into like a little bottle. It doesn't matter what it's made of or anything. It just has to have this kind of top that you can slide a balloon mouth over. So once you get enough of those tiny little pieces that will fit in there, just put all of them in. Then you just put the balloon on there. And this is how to blow up a balloon when you don't want to get lightheaded from blowing so much or blowing at all. Neat little trick. It's pretty cool. But don't drink it in. This is like the thing that you breathe out because you don't want it. And then if you put that over this, the soapy rag over this, makes a tiny little bubble that pops fast. Much faster than the other one because it's a smaller mouth. Maybe not all the other times it did. This time it's not. Oh no, I don't know what happened there. Oh wow, this is cool. Cool. Okay. Anyways, that's that. And then this is alcohol, 91% alcohol from Walgreens. Not sponsored. It's already poured in here. This is one of the coolest tricks. So you can get some fruit by the foot or fruit roll-up thing. I still have this from Halloween. I don't really like them that much. I'll use this. Maybe not. Okay, so this is how to make homemade hard candy that is not edible, so there's no point except that it's cool. You'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. So I'll put that dry ice in there, and in here is all alcohol and a few pieces of candy from earlier. So I'm going to open up this fruit by the foot or fruit roll-up or whatever it's called. This is the most interesting part of the video. Ready? Now it's almost all off. I don't really know how to open these or something. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Has like ink on there. It says like it's a tongue tattoo or something. Anyways, so there's some dry ice and whatchamacallit in there. So you just put this in there for like, you can put it in for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, I don't know. Oh, there's still one more over here. That's probably good. Maybe a couple more seconds. Alright, that's good. Alright, take it out. Oh, so see how bendy this is? It's the same piece, except it's in dry ice. Now it's super hard. It breaks when you put a hammer on it. So this is like the old one. I did this trick earlier too, just for fun. I've already done almost all of these tricks. Take that off. I'll just lightly push on it. Okay, a little harder. It crumbles into these little things. If I try to hammer this, nothing will happen. I'll just stick the whole thing in. Yeah, so these are like negative 100 Fahrenheit, negative 100 something, like 106 Fahrenheit. I don't exactly remember what. Something down there. The dry ices, not the fruit roll up. Okay. Wow. Wow, that's pretty crazy. And I can still save this dry ice. Now what's the point? I guess I could. What's the point? Okay, so if you touch dry ice for just like a second, it doesn't have time to frostbite you. But if you touch it for more than that, it'll frostbite you. Okay, so this isn't exactly a dry ice trick. Well, it has to do with dry ice, but not that much. Hold on. Be right back. This has more to do with like a lighter and carbon dioxide and stuff. Anyways, so, I missed. There. Okay. Put both of those in there. Then this is a lighter. The only thing that's different is I took the silver piece off. This is the thing that normally goes on it. So it's safer or something. I don't know. But yeah. But what you do, this is how to make a flamethrower, mini flamethrower. So you should see like this little knob right here. Then you just pull it up and push it to the side. Pull it up and push it to the side a couple times. And then what you'll do is you'll just light it like a regular lighter. Then so mini flamethrower. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think that you can. It's a pretty big flame. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mini flamethrower this. Is that mold? No, I don't think so. Oh wow. Ah! Don't try this at home. it's still going. That's pretty scary. But then it automatically goes out when it goes into there. So that's pretty cool. So it's still going strong, dip it in there, it goes out. It's like magic, kind of. Yeah. Well, that's about it. Hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, there were only like 2 people watching, so yeah, that's too bad. And then one person stopped watching or something. Before I go, one last trick. It's the same trick. It's better than last time. It just goes like that. Can I pick it up? Yes, I picked it up. Man, that is so cool. Oh my gosh. I don't know why you're still watching. Stop watching. Come on. It's not even that cool anymore.